This 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 27G is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep 6, smoke detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, leveling jacks, air conditioning, oven, LP detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, slide out, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 27G is 8,650 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.